Hi, welcome to BASTYLLA. This is Sam. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a really good chermoula. This bright Moroccan delicious green sauce can be used to marinate fish, flank steak, chicken, on anything really. So we're gonna start off with coriander and parsley, about 2 cups. Pick the leaves off. I personally leave half of the stems. The good basis of a chermoula is the use of a lot of herbs. We're gonna need some fresh squeezed lemon juice. I'm gonna cut up some fresh garlic. So we are just building up all this incredible flavor. Clean and grate some fresh ginger. Now we're gonna add some harissa. I like the heat. Salt. And cumin. Cumin has that really earthy, delicious aroma to it and goes very well with this sauce. To that, I'm gonna add lemon juice, little bit of white vinegar, some preserved lemon, garlic, grated ginger, all in the food processor. Then what we want to do is just chop everything finely. I'm gonna add some oil of olive and mix. That smells good. You definitely want to make this. So we're gonna go ahead and pour this whole mixture in here. Chermoula can be stored in the fridge for 2 to 3 weeks. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.